The Indian economy has once again showcased its resilience and growth potential this week. From the vibrant streets of Mumbai to the tech hubs of Bengaluru, the pulse of economic activity is palpable. From the bustling stock markets to the corridors of corporate boardrooms, the nation has witnessed a flurry of activity. Investors and business leaders alike are navigating a landscape filled with opportunities and challenges. This report delves into the key business and economic developments that shaped the week, providing insights into the forces shaping India's economic trajectory. Analysts have been keenly observing the trends, offering their perspectives on what lies ahead. The past 5 trading days have seen the Indian stock market scaling new heights, buoyed by positive investor sentiment and strong corporate earnings. The Sensex and Nifty indices have reached record levels, reflecting the optimism in the market. This bullish trend reflects the growing confidence in India's long-term growth prospects. Investors are increasingly looking at India as a stable and promising destination for their capital. Meanwhile, the economy continues its steady recovery, with key indicators pointing towards robust GDP growth. Construction activities are picking up pace, signaling a revival in the real estate sector. The week also witnessed significant developments on the corporate front, with major mergers, acquisitions, and strategic partnerships announced across sectors. These moves are set to reshape the competitive landscape and drive innovation. These deals underscore the dynamism of the Indian business landscape and the appetite for growth and expansion. Companies are actively seeking collaborations to enhance their market presence and capabilities. From technology to manufacturing, various sectors have demonstrated remarkable resilience and adaptability, positioning themselves for sustained growth. The tech industry, in particular, is seeing a surge in innovation and investment. This report provides a sector-specific analysis, highlighting the key trends and drivers shaping the future of these industries. Experts are weighing in on the potential impacts of these developments on the broader economy. As we navigate the complexities of the global economic landscape, India stands out as a beacon of stability and growth. International investors are increasingly viewing India as a strategic hub for their operations. The coming weeks and months will be crucial for consolidating these gains and steering the nation towards continued prosperity. Policymakers and business leaders must work together to sustain this momentum and address any emerging challenges. The Indian stock market continued its upward trajectory this week, with benchmark indices reaching new all-time highs. The BSE Sensex and NSE Nifty, the two key equity benchmarks, surged by over 2% each, reflecting the positive sentiment among investors. This bullish momentum was fueled by a confluence of factors, including strong corporate earnings, positive global cues, and sustained foreign institutional investor inflows. The IT, banking, and financial services sectors emerged as the top performers, contributing significantly to the market rally. Market analysts attribute this sustained rally to the robust economic recovery and the government's pro-growth policies. The recent corporate earnings season has also exceeded expectations, with many companies reporting strong revenue growth and improved profitability. However, some experts caution against complacency, emphasizing the need for investors to remain cautious and adopt a long-term investment horizon. Despite the current euphoria, global uncertainties and potential market volatility cannot be ruled out. The Indian corporate landscape witnessed significant activity this week, with several high-profile mergers, acquisitions, and strategic partnerships announced. These developments are not just isolated events, but part of a larger trend that has been gaining momentum over the past few years. These deals reflect the growing appetite for consolidation, expansion, and diversification among Indian businesses. Companies are increasingly looking to merge resources, expertise, and market reach to create more robust and competitive entities. In one of the biggest deals of the week, leading conglomerate Reliance Industries announced a strategic partnership with global tech giant Microsoft to establish a cloud computing infrastructure in India. This partnership is expected to revolutionize the tech landscape in the country. This collaboration aims to leverage the combined expertise of both companies to provide advanced cloud solutions to Indian businesses. By integrating Microsoft's cutting-edge technology with Reliance's extensive market reach, the partnership is set to offer unparalleled services. Another notable development was the acquisition of a majority stake in online pharmacy startup PharmEasy by API Holdings, the parent company of online healthcare platform Practo. This move is seen as a strategic effort to dominate the healthcare sector. This deal is expected to create a healthcare behemoth, consolidating the online pharmacy and telemedicine markets in India. The merger aims to streamline healthcare services, making them more accessible and efficient for consumers. The automotive sector also witnessed significant activity, with Tata Motors announcing plans to invest heavily in electric vehicle manufacturing. This investment is part of a broader strategy to transition towards sustainable and eco-friendly transportation solutions. The company aims to become a leading player in the rapidly growing EV market in India. By focusing on innovation and sustainability, Tata Motors is positioning itself at the forefront of the automotive revolution. These deals underscore the dynamism and competitiveness of the Indian business landscape, highlighting the proactive measures companies are taking to adapt to changing market conditions. As companies strive to stay ahead of the curve and capitalize on emerging opportunities, the Indian market continues to evolve, offering new avenues for growth and innovation. The future looks promising as businesses navigate through these transformative times. Section 4. Economic Pulse, GDP Growth and Inflation Trends. In this section, we delve into the intricate dynamics of India's economic landscape, focusing on the dual aspects of GDP growth and inflation trends. The Indian economy continues to show signs of robust recovery, with key indicators pointing towards strong GDP growth in the current fiscal year. This resurgence is evident in the bustling marketplaces and the increased consumer spending observed across urban areas. The International Monetary Fund has projected India's GDP to grow at 8.2% in FY24, making it the fastest growing major economy in the world. This projection underscores the significant strides India is making on the global economic stage. The manufacturing and services sectors are leading this growth, driven by strong domestic demand and a resurgence in investment activity. Factories are buzzing with activity, and the services sector is witnessing a boom, reflecting the overall positive sentiment in the economy. The government's focus on infrastructure development and policy reforms is also contributing to the positive economic outlook. Major construction projects and urban development initiatives are visible across the country, signaling a commitment to long-term growth. However, inflation remains a concern, with the Consumer Price Index staying above the Reserve Bank of India's upper tolerance limit of 6%. Rising prices in essential commodities are affecting the purchasing power of consumers, leading to concerns about the cost of living. The RBI has been taking steps to control inflation, including raising interest rates and managing liquidity in the system. Financial analysts are closely monitoring these measures, as they play a crucial role in stabilizing the economy. Despite these challenges, the overall economic outlook for India remains positive. Optimistic business meetings and encouraging economic growth charts reflect the resilience and potential of the Indian economy. The government's continued focus on reforms and investment, coupled with the resilience of the Indian economy, is expected to drive sustained growth in the coming years. With strategic planning and effective implementation, India is poised to maintain its trajectory as a leading global economy. Section 5. IT Sector, Riding the Digital Wave. The Indian IT sector continues to ride the wave of digital transformation, driven by strong global demand for technology services. The sector has been a key beneficiary of the pandemic-induced acceleration in digital adoption, with businesses across the world relying heavily on technology to operate and grow. Indian IT companies have been at the forefront of this digital revolution, providing a wide range of services such as cloud computing, artificial intelligence, data analytics, and cybersecurity. The sector has witnessed strong deal wins and revenue growth, reflecting its global competitiveness and expertise. The government's initiatives to promote digitalization and the growth of the startup ecosystem are also creating new opportunities for the IT sector. The sector is expected to remain a key driver of India's economic growth in the coming years.